Hello, welcome back for the part 2. Welcome back to my channel as we review the DJI POCKET 2 on 36 reviews. And always, if you like the video, like, comment, subscribe, and share. Hit that bell if you want me to go downtown. Alrighty, let's get into the battery and the camera. So first off, it's got a 64 megapixel camera, so it can shoot in 16 megapixels. It's very great when you zoom in. As we know, storage is going to be a micro SD and SD card, built-in speakers with an 875 milliamp LiPo battery. You can connect the DJI with a USB or wireless, but you have to have the Creator Combo Pack. Keep in mind, the Creator Combo Pack is a little bit of a jump in price, but if you don't have it, you don't need it. This thing by itself weighing in at 117 grams, which is not very bad at all. And of course, they equip this camera with video, HDR video, time-lapse, motion-lapse, and hyperlapse. Also, for my slow-mo people, this thing shoots at 1080p 120 frames per second with a 4x zoom, or 1080p 240 frames per second with an 8x zoom. The operating time is about 140 minutes. The charging time takes about 73 minutes. Here's some footage walking around the backyard. It's a lot of holes, very rough, and you can still see how smooth this camera looks. If you're wondering, this first video is shot at 4K, 25 frames per second. Good test walking away from the sun. You can still see my face pretty clear. Keep in mind, when you're shooting at 4K, this thing can get a little hot. And here's walking towards the sun. Very nice colors. Just a reminder that all the audio is from the DJI. Back inside. Nice job with the colors too. Audio testing. Audio testing. Audio. This is the motion track, and it's very good for vlogging, or if you're going to have someone in camera, you can set the camera down, it'll follow you around. So I have it focused on this pole here. For my camera nerds, the max ISO is 6400 and the max shutter is 1/8000th per second. Also, this is the standard lens. They also have a wide lens. The footage that you see here today is raw. Nothing has edits. Oh yeah, by the way, I made this beat too. Tell me what y'all think. One flaw I see with this DJI is nighttime or darkness, you get a lot of noise, but as you see in the daytime, it looks okay. Thank you guys for watching this video. Like, subscribe, comment, and go watch that other video.